In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire ice maker power light blinking, error meaning reset and clean tape. Fix 1 power reset. First of all, you have to unplug the ice maker from the power outlet and wait around 5 minutes to allow the electronics to reset. Then plug the ice maker back in and power on the unit. Next, to check water supply. A blinking light indicates the water flow issue in the ice maker. Ensure the water supply valve is open and check that the water line is not getting crushed or frozen. If the water line feels frozen, gently warm it to restore the flow. Fix 3. Inspect and clean the ice jams. First of all, you have to remove the ice bin and look for jammed ice cube around the ejector arm and bin path. If the ice is stuck or break up, carefully remove it. A jammed cube can disrupt the ice making cycle and cause the indicator light to blink. Fix 4. Check for sensor or control faults. Inspect the ice level sensor for debris or damage. Ensure internal wiring is secure and not a loose connection. Perform a hard reset if required by holding the on-off button for approximately 10 seconds. Next, 5. Replace or clean the water filter. A clogged water filter can reduce water flow and cause faults. Locate the water filter for inspection. Replace the filter if it hasn't been changed in approximately 6 months. Run a water through the dispenser to flow the new filter after replace. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.